See the second one.
Sorry, I hit too hard. Sorry. Hey everyone, so unfortunately we didn't get to play a lot of games last night. We were down to $10 and we decided to try these nachos. It is our very first time eating here and oh my god, they were so good. I highly recommend. They have a few options. You can get deep fried pickles. There's like 4 or 5 items on the $5 menu. I highly recommend it. It feeds 2 people. Me and my boyfriend ate here and it was just excellent. Also, I wanted to mention these holographic Five Nights at Freddy's cards. And I know the movie just came out. I cannot wait to see it, by the way. It is real popular. I would highly suggest that you sign up for the rewards because you get freebies like these, and this is the sleeves we put them in. My boyfriend collects cards and all that good stuff. So yeah, I was really happy about these, and I'm going to go back and try to collect some more. Alright folks, we are coming to an end. I promise you I'm not going to keep repeating these Dave and Buster's vlogs. I just wanted to share the love and show you just how fun it is going out doing these things. I am 35, so for me it's something to do. Plus you get so much out of it, gets you out of the house. You win stuff. It's just great all around, and I highly recommend it for anyone of any age. And I'm sorry it's such a short vlog, but we're only down to $10 for last night, so this is all you're gonna get, unfortunately, for now. In the upcoming months I do plan on adding more to my channel. I know this is a different variety of ASMR. That's why you see me do storybooks and all kinds of different things. But I'm also going to add like a cooking channel and maybe some other things. So you have that to look forward to. I'm also on Buy Me a Coffee. If you guys want to donate anything or check my links below, it really helps me. And I'm trying to further my career as being a YouTuber and trying to just make my channel better for you. And I really enjoy making these videos. So thank you for hearing me out. Hope you have a good day and stay safe. Thank you.